iphilisi, umuthi, lezo zinto lezo aziwulaphi umzimba. Lezo zinto lezo zibeka umzimba kwi-state sokukwazi ukuzilapha wona. That is why they say the doctor dresses the wound but God heals it. Okusho ukuthi zonke lezi zinto oyifunayo azikho ekuthenini ucontrole ama-situations, azikho ekuthenini ucontrole i-reality as it flows, but ekuthenini the thing is happening within, internally. Yonke into oyifunayo kuwena, kodwa wena kumele sikubeke kwi-state sokuthi ukwazi ukuthi uyithole ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akhasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani, noma ubani. Ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona, futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. I-raw material ke i-reality, i-consciousness. I-consciousness is the ultimate reality there is there. Consciousness is the ultimate reality. Lokho kubonayo wena empilweni yakho uthi reality, it is a transmuted or cooked consciousness that is giving results. And into kumele uyazi nge-consciousness ukuthi i-neutral for each one of us. Neutral, it is a neutral energy. It is a neutral energy. Ukuze kukwazi ukuthi kube fair, kumele ukuthi ibe neutral. Bese ke kuba khona isimo somqondo. Umqondo wakho uwona odownload consciousness. Ngithi uyazi umqondo wakho une subconscious mind. Bese futhi umqondo wakho uba nani? Uba ne-conscious mind. So you download the consciousness with your conscious mind. Download it. This is the input. And then you cook. This is the pot. This is where you cook. You cook, you put all the spices, all your beliefs, self-image, identity, whatever you believe to be true. You cook and then you produce what? Reality. This is the output. Unfortunately, this food that has been cooked now, that we call reality, it is consumed back by what? By your conscious mind. Consumed back by your conscious mind. Just to reinforce the recipe that is going on here. That yabona ke ngishilo. Lento ngicabanga i-right. Angithi yabo? Just to reinforce. Yabo, I was right with these things that I'm thinking. You see what I receive? Exactly. Ngasho ngathi mina mangabe umuntu omnyama akulula ukuthi kwenzeke kanje. Akulula ukuthi mfethu mangabe ungahlawulanga akulula mfethu ukuthi into zakho zihambe kahle. Yabo, buka ngishilo. That reality just reinforces your recipe. So wena labantu ocabanga ukuthi bokusiza ngeke beze bekusiza. Lezi zinto ocabanga ukuthi zokusiza ngeke zikusiza. When are you trying to control people, you're trying to control the situations outside, you are controlling the food instead of controlling the recipe. What's the use of controlling the outcomes instead of controlling the recipe? Put the different recipe here. So nathi ke enye into omunye umuntu useyizwe kaningi lento le ukuthi kumele yenzeke, yabo? Bese umbuzo wakhe kumele yenzeke kanjani? Wena iba ne strong conviction kule reality yakho le. Qale indlela oyibuka ngayo wena nezinto okholelwa ukuthi zingenzeka kuwena. That is why I say your own consciousness is your own limitation, because you cannot believe or think, you cannot think more than what you believe. You cannot. What you think is possible for you is what you believe about you. So if you believe that you gonna be a millionaire at some point, if you believe so, kumele kudlule kwi-level ye-belief kuye kwi-level ye-knowing, the level of conviction, a very strong conviction, just like i-conviction onayo yokuthi wena kuzohlwa bese kuba ikusasa. You know, that's one you know, you don't even believe, you just know that's what is going to happen. Wena kumele ukuthi uphikise lento le and then ukholwe yilokhu ukukholwayo wena la, wazi ukuthi lento yenzeka over time. If uthi wena mina angihluleki mina, that's what you are planting here. If uthi wena nje mina angihluleki nje kahle kahle futhi zonke izinto ezinhle zingifanele nje, yabo, all of those things you are planting here, that is the receipt that you are putting here. Zonke izinto ezinhle nje ziyangifanela, all of those things. So what you believe determines what you think, and what you think will determine how you feel, and how you feel will pull those results. Nansi into enzekalayo, stop control people, stop controlling things outside, ne? The reality is generated here within, using this consciousness, yabo. So I guess isinanku kumhlaba. Now umhlaba nangu wena laphakathi emhlabeni, nani nayo leyo ngqondo, nayo leyo ngqondo, nayo leyo nhliziyo, yabo. Umhlaba une toroid field, energetic field eqhamuka kanje from the core of the earth ihambe kanje. This is a toroid field, an energetic field, yabo, esemhlabeni, south and north pole. And nawe lo kuthiwa nje wena umhlaba kahle kahle nakwena kwenzeka into efanayo. Lezi zinto le wena okwakho ukuthi eyakhe toroid field is cooked, is coming from your heart, yabo, ayiveli iziqhamukele nje from your heart. Your mind, the thoughts that you are thinking, they determine how you feel. So this one and this one, they're working together. Your thoughts that you are thinking, they make you feel the way you feel, and the way you feel generates this toroid field. Now when this is your toroid field that is coming from your heart, bese iyangena kupla, yabo, coming from your heart, coming from here, it goes up here, it comes this way, yabo. This is what is happening, yabo. So ngazuthi yini manje ngathi aphula, aphula, yabo, aphula. That is why kuthiwani iapula liyimpilo, yabo. Uma ngabe bedli aphula ubone le lokungana le yiphi konje impahla le neaphula elunyiwe, shuthi we are chowing you. We are chowing your life. So your toroid field, the field, energetic field, this is what the Bluetooth is pairing now. Into ezokwenziwa umhlaba, asikhona uzokwazi ukuhlukanisela umhlaba la. Umhlaba nawo la uhamba khona, hamba la umhlaba, hamba la. Khona ngitshela ukuthi ngenze situation ibe better. Umhlaba uhamba la, yabo. By the time umhlaba uproduce le toroid field, wena umhlaba uya search, yabo. This code is resonating with the code here outside. So umhlaba uzokwenza nje, uzokufunela ama situations azohambisana nale toroid field. So this one and this one is going to match.